Hi friends, it's JP here. So in today's sessions we are going to learn how to create a S3 bucket, and we'll upload some files in that, and we'll try to see how it is opening in a browser and what are the access is needed to do the same. Yeah. So let's just get started this. So for that we'll just select test 3. We'll go for the test 3. So right now I don't have any bucket. So we'll just try to create a bucket here. So you can give the bucket name whatever you are looking for. Suppose I'm giving like JP bucket and today's date T02 to 2023. Okay, you can pick any regions, but test 3 is global. When you are creating the bucket, that bucket should have your origin. So we can create in North Virginia. Okay, so this is the ownership that it is, we can decide it here, but right now I will say just leave it so that we can try to understand when and what is needed to do the bucket to be public. Okay, here it's saying that okay, if you want to give that public access you can just unblock it here. Okay, so right now let it be default only. We'll see that what issue is going to come, and then we are going to give access one by one. Okay, so for the versioning also we can enable and disable here. So right now default it is disabled, so we are not going to change anything, and we are going to create a bucket. So now your bucket is created. So you can see your bucket is created with this region, and you can see that it is saying that access it is not public at all. Okay, so once you click on this you will see that different tabs for these property permissions for these buckets. So we'll try to upload first some things. So we'll upload one file, and we'll see that how we can just access that. Yeah, we'll just go to the desktop. We'll create one file here. Text file S3 file. Okay, and we'll just put something. Hello, this is my sample file for S3. Yeah, just keep some contents and let it be there. So now we'll go and upload this file. Desktop S3 file. Okay. So this file is selected. You can see this is the bucket that we are, and we are going to upload this. So your file is uploaded. So we'll select that file and we'll go to the property. You can see this is the URL we are having. So once you will go here, you will not able to see the file. It will give you some access denied issue because we have not given the public access to your bucket and source. So first we'll go to the bucket, we'll give some permission. Right now it is all blocked for the public. So what we can do, we can just give this block public access to all. Okay, we'll do the save changes. It will ask for the confirmation, so confirm it. So ownership also, it is right now bucket owner enforce. We'll go inside and see. Okay, so for others also we need to give this access, so we can enable this one. This is for the same account only, it is asking for the acknowledgement. We'll do the same and we'll save the changes. Now your bucket is public, so we'll try to access this, but still will get the issue access. Why it is? Because we have given access to the bucket, but we have not given access to the resource. To will go this time the object what we have uploaded. So for that we'll go and give. So for this you can see everyone public, there is nothing. So we'll give this read and list read and read access to all. This is write and read. So it is just to read the things. Okay. Now we will save the changes. So now we have given the access to the public also. Right. Yeah. Now let's go here and try to see if we are able to. So you can see guys, now I'm able to see the content of our object what we have uploaded. Okay, this way you can just give the access to your object and bucket. Hope this is going to help you guys. Thanks for your time and thanks for watching this video. Do subscribe my channel and put your comments in the comment sections for suggestions and any topic if you want to cover. We will definitely try to cover those topics as well. Yeah. So hope this is going to help you. Thanks for your time. I will catch you in the next video. Thank you.